Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix overheating on Realme C85. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, you will see first of all click on display and brightness. Now here first of all convert to dark mode. So after convert dark mode, go back and scroll down, click on battery. Now here scroll down, click on power saving settings. So first of all automatically enter power saving battery mode. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix clothing on Realme C85. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.